Check this out. This is what permaculture means with ducks. You don't have a coho problem, you have a duck problem. Check this. There she goes. I'll pull out all shit. And then she's just going for it. Check this out. Yeah, Ruby. Yeah, check. Pulling it out. Going for it now. Save the strawberry emissions. Check it out. Yeah, pull out more. An old newspaper I put in there long ago when it was just weeds in it and we needed to pass definition, contrast. Now we have a duck. We've been missioning here in luck, you know. Check it, Ruby. Go, Ruby, go. Go, Ruby, go. Yeah. There we go. Save the strawberries, dude. Okay, I've got to go fix a duck shelter so that babies are going to be happy there tomorrow. Check it. Go, Ruby, go. Very cool, man. Okay, we'll carry on with this another time. Thanks, Ruby.